Hey guys, this is 3.3, mean, median, and mode. So we're looking at some data here. So we have some students that have turned in some assignments and some students that haven't. So in this data is some random number of students and the number of missing assignments they have. So we're going to plot each of these points. So to plot these, we just put an X for the number of times each number shows up in our data. So 0 shows up twice. So we're going to put 2 X's. 1 shows up twice. 2 shows up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 shows up twice. 4 shows up once. No 5. 1 6. 3 7s. 1 8. 1 9. And 2 10s. Now we need to figure out how many students are in this sample. Well, we just count the number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 students in the sample. Now the first thing we're going to find is the mean. Another word for this is average. I always learned this growing up as the average teacher is mean. So we add up the number of assignments that they're missing. We do our data. So we go 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. So we add all of that together to figure out the total number of missing assignments. All right, I added it together and it was 86. So that's the total. But then we divide by the number of students, 20. And that's going to tell us what the average student is missing. And the answer, 4.3. Now the next one we're going to find is the median. Another word for median is middle. The median is in the middle of the road. Is a nice way to remember it. So you cross out low and high until you get to the middle. So my lowest is 0 and 10, and I just keep doing this until I get to the middle. All right, so it looks like both of my middle numbers are 3. But be careful though, if you have 2 of them, you have to find the average. So the average is add them together, 3 plus 3, and divide it by the number of numbers, 1, 2. Well, that's 6 over 2. That equals 3. So your median is 3. The middle of your data is at 3. To find the mode, we find the number that occurs most often. So mode is most. Most people like their pie a la mode. That means with ice cream on top. Let's see. I've got 5 2s. So my mode is 2. Your highest number is the max. So your max is your biggest. I don't have a clever saying for that one. But max is a word we use every day, so we don't need a clever thing for it. So our max is 10. Your minimum is your smallest, 0. And your range is max minus min. So 10 minus 0, which is 10. So range is 10, min 2, max 10, and mode 2. So there we go. There's mean, median, mode, max, min, range. The average teacher is mean. The median is in the middle of the road. Most people like their ice cream a la mode. Max is biggest. Minimum is smallest. And your range is your max minus min. So that at least gives you an idea of how to do some basic data stuff. So why don't you go try the homework.